Hi my angels, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see, but I'm here today to do a get ready with me. I'm currently on holiday, and if you guys know one thing, it is that I love filming get ready with me's. If I could do this all the time, all day, all night long, I 100% would. But enough of me blabbering. If you'd like to get ready with me for I think we're just going for dinner today, but if you'd like to get ready with me as like a holiday edition, then please keep watching. So all of the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box as always. I'm going to start off with skin prep first. It's like my most crucial stage when it comes to doing any kind of makeup look. And the first product I'm going to use is this Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel Pads. I'm going to use the number 1 side first, which is exfoliating smoothing, and then going in with the second side, which is the anti-aging neutralizer. And I love using this because it gives me a really lovely base to work with when I put my makeup on top. So my skin is all exfoliated, and now I'm going to go in with my serum, and I'm going to be using the Radiant Rani Brightening Saffron Serum from Manava. I'm going to get that all onto my face. You guys know how much I love this, but just blending it all into my face, making sure that I've got all the areas covered. Serum is all done and my skin is looking already really nice and glowy, but I'm going to move on to eye cream, and the one that I'm using is the Shiseido Ultimune Eye Power Infusing Eye Concentrate. I love the serum version of this, and I am loving what it's doing to my under eyes as well. So just getting that onto the usual areas and making sure it's all blended into my skin. 2 more skincare steps left, and next I'm going in with my Wind moisturizer and getting that onto my skin so it's nice and prepped and moisturized before I move on to the SPF. Okay, last and final step is SPF, which is, although it's the last one, I personally think it's the most important because it's so crucial to make sure your skin is protected from the sun and using that SPF. Now, you guys know I love the Shiseido SPFs. I love the stick version. Here I've got the cream version. This is the Expert Sun Protector Face Cream, and it's got an SPF of 50. So the brilliant team at Shiseido UK have actually teamed up with Essential on their Sun Poverty campaign, and this actually means that buying 1 bottle of Shiseido sun cream from the Essential website, which I'll leave a link to below, will buy a bottle of sunscreen for a child in the UK, and this aims to help those children that are eligible for free school meals, which I think is fantastic. Now, this isn't an ad, but I just have to share with you guys this wonderful thing that Shiseido are doing. Although I have worked with Shiseido on campaigns before, this is not an ad. I just love what they're doing with this campaign and had to share with you guys. I always make sure that I put my SPF on my neck as well, and whatever's left over, I kind of put it on my hands as well, so I've got some protection in those areas as well. So now that my skin is all prepped, I'm going to move on to my base. For the initial layer of my base, I'm actually going to take a mixture of the Hollywood Flawless Filter and Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Face Illuminator. Wow, that's a mouthful, but I'm going to get both of those onto my face and really blend that in, and then I'm going to add a very minimal amount of foundation on top. I am on holiday and I want my skin to just look really glowy and healthy and not have too much product on it. By the way, this sponge that I'm using is the Marshmallow Sponge, and it is so good. It blends out my base so quickly. One thing I did forget to do is I forgot to prime. So I'm going to take my Urban Decay setting spray and just get that all over my face very quickly. I always do this in between layers, and I feel like my makeup just lasts so much longer in the heat. So although those 2 products have really helped kind of even my skin out, I am going to add a little bit of coverage in the areas where I just want a little something extra. So I'm going to take my Nars Light Reflecting Foundation in the shade Punjab and get that all over my face and really blend it into the areas where I really want a little bit extra coverage. Moving on to bronzer and get that onto my face. I totally forgot to pack a brush for this, so I'm just using that same Marshmallow Sponge to get it on the areas where I want to look bronzed. I'm loving the way that my skin is looking. It's nice and glowy. It still looks like my skin, but I've now got a little bit of like bronziness going on, which I love. Time to add a little bit of concealer and brighten the face. And I'm going to take my KVD Beauty Lightweight Full Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium 126, and then a little bit of the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer in the shade 323. And this is to add a little bit of brightness to the center of my face and then blend everything out, this time using my mini Marshmallow Sponge, which again is so good at blending everything into my skin. I prefer using the smaller one for these areas because the big one I feel like just doesn't really get into the nooks and crannies of where I want to conceal and blend. Time for another quick little spritz. And now it's time to set everything in place and getting that onto all the areas that I applied that concealer. And then to set all the places that I've bronzed, I'm taking the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores bronzer in the shade Beach and getting that on top of all the areas where I applied the cream bronzer. Okay, time for blush, and although I have used powders, I'm still gonna go in with some cream products because that's just how I roll. I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Joy and get this onto the apples of my cheeks and just a little bit onto my nose and blend that all out as well. I love these blushes. They are so good, they're so pigmented. And that means that you need to use the tiniest amount as well. For highlighter, I'm taking the Laura Geller highlighter in the shade Gilded Honey. I've been loving this on holiday recently and getting that onto the usual areas where I want to look all nice and highlighted. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can see my skin, and it just looks so nice and glowy. I love holiday skin. I don't know what it is about just being on holiday and just feeling extra glowy. I just love it. Now it's time to sort these brows out. So I'm going to take my IT Cosmetics Brow Power in the shade Universal Taupe and just use that to fill in any gaps and making sure everything's brushed in. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I kind of don't pack any eyeshadow palettes on holiday, and that's because I always go for something cream at the end, and it's just so much quicker and easier, and I just feel like it looks more like melted into the skin, especially on holiday. So I'm gonna do something that I did on my Instagram the other day and you guys loved it. So I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Colour Chameleon in the shade Golden Quartz, and I'm getting that onto my eyelid and then very messily smudging it out, and this just creates a beautiful bronzy eye look without any effort. I highly recommend you guys try this because it is so quick and easy to do, and it looks so beautiful in photos and in real life as well. And just like that, honestly, within minutes my eyes are done, which I love. And now I am gonna very quickly add some mascara to my lower lashes. I do have lash extensions on, so I'm just gonna add it to the lower lashes just to even out my top and bottom lashes. For my lip shade, I think I'm gonna do something a little bit different, and I'm gonna take the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Carbo and get that onto my lips. It's a bit of a peachy, corally vibe, something a little bit different, but I think I will pack a lip gloss or lip balm in my bag because I love topping up this way when I'm out and about. One more spritz. Oh, I think I'm gonna take a little bit of the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist and just mist it on the top parts of my face to add a little more glow to this glowy face that I have already. I'm very quickly gonna take my hair out of my little braid. My hair is all out of the plait, and this is what it's looking like. I actually haven't put any extra products in it, and I don't feel like it needs any, but now I'm gonna go in with my jewelry. I'm gonna be wearing these hoops right here. These are from Astrid and Mew. They're just really cute and simple. They got a little bit of like diamante on there as well, which is kind of cute. Getting some perfume on. I've got my deodorant. I'm gonna get my deodorant on. This is the Wild one. It's my fave. The final product that I nearly forgot to put on is this right here. This is the Nars Orgasm Dry Body Oil. This is amazing. I love it so much. I've literally been wearing it every single day. You need the tiniest amount, like so. And I mean, just look at that beautiful glow. But I just get it all over my arms and legs if I've got like a dress on, but it just adds this gorgeous glow to the skin. I don't know whether you guys can see, but it just adds this beautiful glow, which I'm all about on holiday. And I've got this outfit on, which is like a little two-piece, like co-ord vibes, very comfortable. But I think that is everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this little get ready with me. As always, all of the products that I have used and mentioned will be listed in the description box. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a lovely summer. Sending all of my love from my heart to you guys, and hopefully I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!